In this video, I'm going to show you how to view and manage service tokens in your inventory. I'm logging into the Equinix Fabric portal, and here is the dashboard view of this user. To view your service tokens, click on the Service Token dropdown on the top navigation bar and select the Inventory option. As you can see, all A-side and Z-side service tokens created by this user are displayed in this table here. Now, there are several options to locate an existing service token. If you have the unique ID handy, you can run a simple search by typing in this text field, or you can search based on the token status from this dropdown here. For this example, let's filter for all service tokens in active status. As you can see, the table below is automatically refreshed to reflect the selected filter value. You can also edit the attributes listed by default by clicking on this icon here to show or hide columns and customize your view, or reset at any given point to view all the attributes. That concludes this demo. Thanks for watching.